Okay, I think I'm on again. Yes, I am. Okay. I need to enter a program, and I think it was 40. Oh, right there. So I need a new program. I have an old program. Edit. Start with the edit key. Editor help. F1. And let's see. Program. Create new program. Right there. Hit enter. Enter program O code. Is the O, so I'm going to put in 00040. A second. Alright. I'm going to enter. I got a clean slate. I'm going to put in my program. I'm going to put in parentheses. Pokey. Doesn't know how to spell my name. Pokey space. I don't know. WB. Workbook. Close parentheses. Insert. I got to go to the end of the line. Oh, end. End. All right, start typing. T12 M6. Enter. G90, G54, G0, X minus 0.35, I got it, and Y minus 0.25, enter, yep, I got M3, S1400, enter, G43, H12, Z.1, M8, enter, yep, G1, Z minus 0.45, oh, F14 point, enter, oh, bad code, cancel, 45, F, 14 point, enter, okay, that's right, alright, G41, X0, D12, I'm going to keep the F14 there. Probably don't need to do that twice, but because it's modal, like G41. So now we're going to go G1, Y 3.5, enter, G2, X.5, Y 4 point, enter, G1, what was that, 0.5, 6 point, enter, oops, bad code, G1, X point, oh, cancel, big numbers, G1, 6, enter, let me check, so I should put my finger on these things, alright, G3, X7, I was trying to do this two-handed, 5 point, enter, I did another bad code again, G3, must have missed a keystroke, I think they call that fat fingering, point, enter, G1, X7, oh, I don't need to enter that, that's too much, I don't want to do too much typing, my Y, G1 is Y, 7.25, move my hat, enter, and G2, X 8 point, Y 7.25, enter, yep, and G1, 8's the same, so we're going to Y 0, enter, and we're doing another G1, just need that. Now we're doing a G3, X 3 point, Y 0, R 1.0, enter. I'm getting near the finish line. G1, x minus 0.35, enter. G1, G40 to cancel, and y negative 0.35, enter. Oh, and then wrap it out of there. G0, C1.0, M9, shut it off. G53, G49, Z0. Oh, I wrote it down wrong. I think it was M5. M30. Done. All right, let's see what we got. Memory, setting graphics, hit reset, and go. Oh, I gotta warm my machine up. Might hit cancel.
15 minutes left of computer time.
Oh. Let's see. I gotta resume. F2 and home. All right. Looks like it got an error there. Invalid I, J, K, and G2. G2. Oh! I missed the R's. I forgot all about the R's. Alright, what's this one? Did I write it down? I did not write it down. I'm going to have to go back to my print. Okay, that first one is a 0.5. R, 0.5. Insert. G3, that'd be this one. That's a big one. R 1.0, I'm going to insert that one. This one's a little one, so that would be R 0.5. Insert. And this one's a big one. Oh, I got the R on that one. Alright, reset, memory, graphics, cycle start. Invalid, I got R10. I didn't put my decimal point. I can always fix these. R 1.0, alter, reset, memory, graphics, cycle start. Why travel over range? Oh, this is all the way up in the upper corner here. I think my teacher told me if it's not in the right position, it might try to go off the machine here. I'm using G54, which is that work offset. Oh, I see, because the Y negative is only 5, and this part is pretty big. So let me move this, I'm going to move this like another 2 inches in that direction. Oh, greater than, yep. Yes, and I'm going to move this like negative 5 point, enter, and yes. Alright, let me try it now. Oh, there we go. Looks like the picture, F2, and page down. Hit enter, lock it in again. Alright, so the D12 here, I have no data in this tool here. So if I was setting this up like, let's say old school, I would use this at 0. Yes. And the offset page of 12, I'd have to have like a negative number. So I'm going to put in 5 inches for now. And then in this column, and we're using radius, some machines use diameter, some use radius, I'd have to put in the radius of that tool. So that'd be 0.375. And greater than, yep, 5. Let's see, 0.375, enter. Yes, okay, so that has radial compensation now. And this would be for adjusting that. Okay, let's see if that works. Fully simulated now. Cut a comp interference. Ooh. Okay. Let's see, we're starting at minus 0.35 going to x0. Oh, you know what? You need to be further away from the part. So that needs more room. I think that's really about the finish line. You need to be farther away than what you're compensating, which is 375. So we want to fix this one, and we can be like anywhere to the left. So I'm gonna just I like using big round numbers like 1, alter, and that's going to affect this one here. This is my exit move. So I'm going to make that y negative 1.0 alter. I think that's going to fix it. Alright. There we go. So entry move. This is with compensation.
Left of computer time.
So everything appears to be smaller because it's the center of the tool. And this is rapiding over, drops down, and it looks like I should get a little more crossover there just to make sure. So that would be this one here. I'm going to go X. Oh, I'll go -1 point. That's where I started from. Alt. Alright. Okay. Yep, so crosses the finish line. Not quite low enough. Edit. Let me start a little bit lower, like Y -1 point. Alter. Reset memory. Okay. Alright, so it crosses over here, right? That's good. Good. All done. Success. And then I could take this file, save it in my USB right here, and I can run it in the NcViewer online. Okay, list of programs, hit the memory, it's right there, Pokey WB. Hit the enter button if you're not sure. It says F2 to copy selected files. That's selected, so F2. Copy to USB, yep. Enter, enter. So that's copied now. Alright. Take this. Oh. Let's see, unplug one of my hard drives here. Alright, got my color compensation exercise. We got program 40 right there. Let's see what we got here. Where's that NcViewer thingy? NcViewer. Close enough. Alright. New file, or open file. Open file. This one right here, 40, open. Look at that. It's got it laid out already. Here's the code. Hit play. I'll just wait and slow that down. Can you go step by step? Oh, I think you gotta rewind. Alright. Step by step. Step, 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 step. And that's it. So it works there, works here. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna take a screenshot or scan it on my fax machine and send it in. Thank you very much.